Hi G4G Squad, I'm Kez and I've got another video today brought to you by Girls for God. Today we're going to be making a coffee exfoliating face mask. For our face mask, our ingredients are really simple. We've got coffee, honey and aloe vera gel. To start off with, we're going to take one tablespoon of our coffee grounds. They can be fresh or used, it doesn't really matter. Next, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is great. It is, I think, one of nature's best remedies. I love using honey for stuff. So good for your skin and your hair. It's a natural antiseptic, which is really good. If you have acne prone skin, this is the face mask for you. Coffee is going to improve the circulation. The honey is going to nourish your skin. And aloe vera is going to moisturize and soothe. So here I'm putting in 1.5 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Now that we've got it all in there, give it a quick mix. It's a bit tricky with the sticky honey, so make sure that coffee is all mixed in. Now, this might be a bit too much for one face. You can use it on, you can get together with your friends and both do a face mask together, or you can stick it in a little container, store it in the fridge, ready to use next time. So this is the good consistency for your face mask. It's probably good to do this once or twice a week, especially if you have acne prone skin. It will be really great. The coffee granules are going to be a super gentle exfoliant, which means it's not going to be harsh, so you can get away with doing it twice a week. Whack it on your face, leave it for about 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water using circular motions. And Bob's your uncle, all done. Hi G4G crew. Crews. Okay. Hey G4G squad, I'm Kez and I'm here with another video brought to you by Girls for God.
G4G squad video brought to you by Girls for God.
Yeah. Okay.
And your name is Kez.
Thanks for the reminder. Hi Girls for God squad. G4G G4G.
Do you need the brought to you by?
Hi G4G squad, I'm Kez and I've got another video for you today brought to you by Girls for God and Hi G4G squad, I'm Kez and I've got another video today brought to you by Girls for God.